Hi guys, this is Lavana and welcome to my channel, and I am back with another video which is about drumrolls, our winter clothing haul. And in this video I'm gonna tell you that are the pieces worth it or not? Are they like worth the price or not? And especially आज चश्मा पहना है, I'm like intelligent लगूंगी, like let me just get you through it. Wow. So the first thing we are going on is with pretty red dress from New Me. Love New Me. Also, this video is not sponsored at all. It's a new channel. Obviously, who's even one sponsor? But yeah, the size I have ordered for myself is medium. And to be honest, this whole dress is a complete look. You don't need to wear, different type of things. But if you want to elevate it, you can wear a leather jacket. You can wear a denim jacket, or even if it's freezing cold out there, you can wear a fleece legging and you're good to go. Like, get yourself a fleece legging, get yourself boots, and you are good to go. The material, really good. The material is really good. And personally, I would rate it a solid 4. Okay, like I would rate it a solid 4. Also, it's not even that costly. So, is it worth the price or not? Of course, it is worth the price, man. Like, I had the expectations I had from this dress. So the second piece we are going on is with this gorgeous leather coat. I swear to God, this leather trench coat has my heart. मैं जितना ध्यान से इसको रखती हूँ ना, मैं इतना ध्यान से किसी को नहीं रखती हूँ, ठीक है? मेरा मेरा कोई भी कपड़ों को मैं इतने ध्यान से तो बिल्कुल नहीं रखती हूँ. Like, I love this coat with my whole life. Okay. Also, the size I over, it's an oversized coat because my height is 5'7". Okay. So I need to make sure कि अगर and it's a really long coat. So I need to make sure कि मैं अगर कोट पहन रही हूँ, मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए कि मेरा कोट झाड़ू मार रहा है. So I ordered L. Okay, I ordered L. And how it will elevate your look? You can wear anything. Okay, you can literally wear anything and wear this coat on top of that. You will have the best look of your life. You will feel like that, boss bitch type of it. You'll have that energy in yourself. Okay, and the fabric is so good, and I would say this was the best investment. Literally, this was the best investment. And the fabric is real good. The length was perfect. And also, the coat is from Savannah. And now, the main question, was it worth it or not? You can just tell by my expression, bro. It was obviously worth it, and I would rate it a solid 10 out of 5. Literally 10. There are no limits to this because how much I love this coat. Next up, we have this round pants from New Me. I haven't even opened this because it's a really recent parcel. And let me just check the fabric quality in front of me. I actually wanted something baggy, so I ordered M again, and the waist size is 28. And this looks so good, like so good. Okay, the picture I saw in the obviously the picture in the app I saw, it was looking really well. Okay, the color. The fabric is good too. Yeah, the fabric is really good. And obviously, a brown pant, you can style it with anything, okay? You can wear it with white top. You can wear it with coats. You can wear it, either with a denim thing. Brown pants are the type of things it gives you the complete office look too. You can wear it with anything and you'll look chic. Like, you will look chic, okay? And I would say, was it worth the price? Considering कि ये काफ़ी पतली है. Okay, like I thought कि जो pants होंगी थोड़ी सी like मोटी होंगी या कुछ होगा, but they are really thin. The fabric is good, but I don't think it's that good. Okay, so I would rate it 2.5 out of 5 or 3 out of 5. So was it worth the price? No, it was not worth the price. I mean, I love it. The color and everything is good, and I am damn sure the look is gonna be great too. But the fabric quality isn't that up to the mark, and I mean, I can style it in really different ways with really different pieces, but it's not that worth it. Or maybe I'll just return. Next up, we have this blue coat. Like, it's like a cape, okay? I would not say it's a coat, but it is a coat. Or maybe you can call it a top, okay? But yes, this blue thing. It looks so good. The amount of time I say it looks so good is just insane because I'm very precise about what I order. Okay, my fashion choices are literally like how I take my life choices. About this, I ordered this in L because, and to be honest, मैं इसको एक छोटा size order कर सकती थी. It looks really big, like ये बहुत ही बड़ा लगता है जब मैं पहन लेती हूँ. It looks like I look like a Superman in this. Okay, but yeah, if you wear it with a belt or wear it with like बेल्ट के साथ तो अच्छा लगता है. एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो वेयर इट विद लेदर पैंट्स, बेस्ट। लेदर पैंट्स के साथ ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। आई लव थिंग्स जो अपने में ही एक अच्छी आउटफिट बन जाती है और उसके बाद मुझे 10 चीज़ें नहीं पहननी पड़ती उनके साथ, वो अपने में ही एक अच्छी चीज़ है। सो द फैब्रिक इज़ रियली गुड टू, द फैब्रिक इज़ गुड, इट विल कीप यू वार्म, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट सी इट, ओके। एंड वॉज इट वर्थ द प्राइस? I would say yes, it is worth the price, okay, because the fabric is good, the size is good, and it's up to the mark, and I love how it looks too. So overall, it looks beautiful, and I would recommend it. Okay, next up we have these beautiful, gorgeous looking pants. Like you can see it, and again, it's a new order, so I haven't opened them. Opened it, and this is how they look. I'm the type of person who don't experiment, much with my pants. I have like baggy pants, I have like bell bottoms, I have trousers also for office, but I've never tried something like this. And I love experimenting, but I haven't experimented. And they look so pretty. The fabric is good too. Let me just take a moment and let this sink in, because oh my god, they look so good. I'm in love with this, and already मेरे दिमाग में ideas चल रहे हैं मैं इसको कैसे पहन सकती हूँ. I can wear it with a red top. It will look so good. It will seriously, blow my mind off. It just looks good. Also, the size I have ordered is M again. मैं इतना ज़्यादा इधर-उधर हो गई हूँ. I guess. So the second last piece is this brown coat. Yes, the brown coat. And the reason I ordered this is because of the scarf. I love this scarf. Okay, trust me. Whenever I wear this scarf, it just looks so cute. How am I even wearing it? This whole scarf looks so cute. Like, it just completes the whole look. I swear to God. Okay, the size I've ordered is L, and it's from Savannah. Yes, it's from Savannah. And let me tell you, like मैं इसके नीचे 10 layers पहनूंगी, 10 layers के बाद मेरे को सिर्फ ये पहनना है, उसके ऊपर I'll be done. Okay, the fabric quality is really good, but I would say कि अगर ये थोड़ा सा और मोटा होता ना, मैं इसको सिर्फ पहनती हो जाता. But it just has this one button, and उसके बाद आप अपना देख लो. So I can this, I'm damn sure कि ये different way में पहन सकती हूँ, and also with the brown pants itself I can wear this. Okay, so I would say, was it worth the price? It is worth the price. Yes, it is worth the price, and yeah, I would rate it a solid 4. Yeah, I would rate it 4 out of 5 because I love it. I love it. But yeah, that's it. I would rate it 4. So the last but definitely not the least piece I've got is this grey cape. Yes. So the size I've ordered is L, and it's from Savannah. Also, the fabric quality is really good. The reason I ordered this cape is because of this belt. It has this cute belt, and it kind of looks like a kaftan. So if you wear it, it feels like you are wearing a kaftan. And I do not have something like this. So that's why I invested in it. And at this point, they should sponsor me. But anyways. And was it worth it or not? I would say yes, this piece is worth it. Like, this was a unique piece for me. Okay, and I was like, let's try it out. कैसा लगता है, कैसा रहेगा? So yeah, this is a new piece, and it is worth it. So that was all for the video, and if you came this far, leave a like and comment about which of the pieces was your favorite, and how would you like to personally style it. I would really love to hear that. And yeah, I post every Saturday, so subscribe for more, and thank you so much. Until next time, bye.